My name is Hemsai and I am from Grade 6C, Global City International School, GCIS, Bangalore, Karnataka. And today I am going to demonstrate an experiment called Green Earth Water Cycle. Let's start with the materials required, which are a clear glass container, a bowl of food coloring, a clear glass lid, a bottle or a kettle of hot water, and you also need ice cubes. If your lid has a curvature like this, you can keep it in the freezer for a few minutes to make it chilled. Or else you can also use ice cubes if it doesn't have a curvature like this. So let's start. First, you have to take the glass container and pour the hot water into it. Like this. And then next you have to take the lid and apply food coloring. I'm applying food coloring just to make it clearer for you guys to see. And it's not usually that we can see the clouds. So we can understand the process of evaporation, condensation and precipitation has happened. We can use color dye to see. Let me just dab some color dye onto this. And now you have to take the lid and put it on top. I'm also keeping this light so that it's easier for you guys to see. Now you have to wait for a few minutes so that the process can happen. Now, as we can see, our experiment is a success. All the color has dripped down. That means the process of the water cycle has happened. Now, let me correlate this to the water cycle. Usually in the water cycle, the water from rivers, lakes and water bodies condenses in the cloud, evaporates because of the sun. It gets heated and evaporates. After it goes up to a high altitude, it condenses because of the coolness at the clouds. Then the process of precipitation happens. In this process, when the clouds they have more and more water, they get very heavy. After some time, when they get at the heaviest point, which the cloud can hold the maximum amount of water, they pour down as rain. Thank you.